Okay. Hey, what up folks, it's your boy Daniel Legaspi. Welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and then like this video if you want to see more of this. And then today is such a fun day. I'm actually making our merch right now for Ride for Brandon, like show your Ride for Brandon. We're gonna be there. We're gonna do some we're gonna put up our tent, and then we're gonna have some fun. But yeah, today those are the shirts I got. And then I'm printing it, but now look at this. Voila. Let's open it up, boys.
You gonna want the Mexico? Also, it doesn't fucking.
Obviously. Okay.
Before you go.
Yeah. Okay, boys.
That's all I don't know about.
You guys can see this, right? Slide down. Okay. Drop something. What? Look at that, man.
Bruh! What the fuck, bro? Put on mine? We're about to see if it's gonna fit on mine.
I don't think so, bro.
I'm gonna make it fit. I'm gonna make that bitch fit. I don't give a shit. Fucking silicone, let's go.
Yikes.
Why do you not have bolts in there, boy?
Because I took it off
Why?
for easiest use and installation.
I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna head out. Bruh.
Okay. Those are the worst. Big shout out to Ryan for coming by. Always. Yeah, these are the new ones. Oh, they're looking fresh. Yeah.
Okay, so take out your bulbs. This.
Take that out. You don't want that anymore.
I don't want that.
That.
I don't want that.
Okay.
Okay, so I go like so and rematch your and your plug. Where do you go, sir? So we know it goes here. Okay, yes. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna help him install my taillights, and I will back to you guys in a bit. Okay, we just installed. Oh my, we have a problem. Ryan, we have a problem.
What?
Hey, look at that. I'll show you guys the animation.
You stop your clicking right now.
Looking nice, boys. Looking nice.
Go put your brick on.
Yeah. We just have to do it on this side and we'll call it.
Reverse.
Huh?
I don't know.
Okay, hold up.
It goes.
I think I like that better. Better than this side, right? Okay. What we're gonna do right now is we're just gonna install
The other
left
side?
Well, yes. The other side. Now we'll call it a day. But yeah, we don't actually want to teach you guys because we don't know what we're doing.
There's a
exactly.
mystery cord. In the comments, tell us what the hell the mystery cord does.
Yeah, because we don't know what this thing
We
does.
can't figure it out. Reverse works, signal works, brake light works, hazards work.
Yeah, everything works, eh?
So
Besides
in the
that.
comments, if you've had them, tell us what mystery cord does, because now I'm not going to sleep tonight.
Yeah. So if you know, tell us, please. Because we don't know, I think. yeah, so we're just gonna finish installing the other side and I'll let you guys know. And I'll see you guys in a bit.
When is it?
Ooh, look at that.
Friday? Then yeah, I will. I'll grab it.
Show you guys the final product. Look at that animation. That look.
Still don't know what Mr. Record does. I'm not gonna sleep tonight.
So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today. I mean for tonight, because I still have to do our merch, and then I do it on my own because you know we're broke. We don't have that money yet, so I gotta do my own. And shout out to this dog, Ryan. Shout out to you. Thank you for helping me putting those on.
Of course.
And then I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.